We had to replace our windows because we were changing the whole way that the countertop was going to work. Originally, the countertop did a big dip in the old windows, and we didn't want that. We wanted the countertop to go straight out to a window. So Colby came in, and Colby had no problem trying to reconfigure our windows with us. So this window was originally about another 8 inches below the countertop. And so Colby very easily was able to adjust and make custom windows for us so that they worked with the height of the new countertop. The heat that we can feel that stays inside our house now as the cold weather's coming has been like night and day from the last windows that we had. But they also look amazing. So we knew we wanted this old 150-year-old wood here. These are our original floorboards. And the wood with the Colby windows just sets it off beautifully. The history of this house really matters to us, and the details in the windows matter to us, and that mattered to Colby too. There was no question it was the company to work with, especially for a historic house like this. It was a very easy process. The guys that came in to install, they were lovely to have around as well. This room is so cozy and amazing. The screens are 100 times better than the last ones. The last time we had the screens in, we would take them out sometimes just so we could see through the window better. These screens, you hardly even notice they're there. They are super easy to clean. These are double hung. They open up from the inside. I can clean everything from the inside. So they're super easy. They're nice and tight, and people comment on it. We wanted also to fashion the windows exactly the way they were from the original windows 150 years ago. And these are almost to the exact measurement of what they were before. So thank you, Colby, for adding such beauty and quality to our windows to make the views even more incredible than they already are. We love them.